Another question is what is the suggested time needed months prior to operating a clinic to find a team? Doktor macam mana nak try jawab? Suggested time needed dalam brackets months prior to operating a clinic.
There's nothing right or wrong because sometimes it's a situation. I mean, like in management, there's nothing like come in. Oh, okay, kita nak this planning. Yes, kita can plan. Tetapi sometimes the opportunity comes in such way. Macam I scouting for clinic and so on. Tapi within that 4 days, I have to open up by hook by crook. Dia dah lepas tangan. I need to my staff and I need to plan. Of course, you ada macam it depends you punya banyak factor. Financial you kena tengok. Kalau banyak duit berjuta-juta tu, you buatlah planning 6 bulan ke apa kan. So there's nothing hard and fast rules to create a team ni. Sometimes you along the way bila you start tu, as long you know you have ilmu macam what Mafa doing is dia nak teach us about leadership, management, and also of course all the other factors yang boleh menjayakan business kan, which is correct. In my corporate I learned that lah. And then if you have that, is an advantage to you because you will use it on daily basis. Sebab you kan ada strategic planning. Bila you ada strategic planning, you ada milestone. Dari situ you dah tahu lah apa you nak buat dengan team you, apa yang you perlu dan and so on lah. And it is a daily basis lah. Dia bukan dia macam okay nak tengok 6 bulan projection ke apa ke, tak ada. Sebab even kalau dalam I punya setahun setengah ni pun you fire dah 3 orang, tiba ada 2 pun ada yang resign and so on. So you need keep your team also keep changing. Tetapi life goes on lah kan. So you need, if you have a robust punya system, then you know how to manage it lah. Senang you nak repeatkan benda tu, and sometimes you tak perlu berada pun kat situ, dia orang boleh baca sebab buat SOP contohnya, then it should be okay. Yeah, that's my answer lah.
That's Dr. Zaimi punya answer. If I can just add to that, people development ni is a continuous process lah. Kita bukannya kata ada 2-3 bulan sebelum operate clinic, that's the ideal time. Tapi it's a continuous process. Kita continuously kena ada mindset of kita panggil CAN-II. Mafa, is a learning organisation, and each individual is a continuous and never learning, improving individual. So we want that kind of mindset. So we are continuously improving day by day. Macam Dr. Zaimi cakap jugalah. Kita pun open to feedback because kita kadang-kadang kita pun tak perasan. Jadi kita memang seek for feedback.